Hello, good here. I'm going to show you what information the bracelet app provides. That's about football. That is when we practice an activity of playing soccer. I am going to show you what information it gives us and why there are so many footballers who already wear this bracelet. Footballers like Virgil van Dijk or Cristiano Ronaldo are users of good oils. I'm going to show you why. Well, first of all, I have gone to this day where, as you can see, a playing activity was recorded. As you can see just on the left, the effort score that we used is not shown. Activity in this case is 18 let and number 39. Let's click on the football activity itself. Once we click, a message with a small summary does not appear. As you can see, we have spent 6 minutes in the zone between 90 and 100% effort. As you can see, a graph does not appear of all the BPM it is to go from our heart. Also, if we look down a little, we see the different areas in which we have been. As you can see, when we have only been there for 4 seconds, it is the lowest, and it increases in intensity. And the zone 5, which is the zone where we have had the most intensity, we have been there for 26 minutes. If we move Mafias downwards, we see the clear statistics. We have burned 1,127 calories. Our heart rate is on average at 159 beats per minute. We've reached 193, and the duration has been, say, 1 hour and 23 minutes. Well, this is very good because we can clearly see, for example, here that there was the break, how we lowered and raised the intensity again. Apart from this, we can also at the top right edit the activity. But why is there's so many soccer players right now who are wearing this bracelet is not only because of this data here that is very useful, but because of everything behind it. Playing a soccer game is an activity that requires a lot of energy. Therefore, we must prepare well. How can we prepare well? Because these footballers have this bracelet and use this application to know how prepared their body is, and above all, how they can arrive at the day of the match and the day of training 100% recovered and with maximum energy. This is given to us by the website in this way. We are going to select today in number 39. This day, well, today I have not yet loaded all the statistics. What we are going to do is go to today. Well, now I have been in charge of the statistics. The important thing here is to go to where the plan appears in the lower menu, and now we will go to the metrics. This is the important thing. We can configure a diary that each day will ask us certain questions about what we did yesterday. In this way, when we have been using the bracelet for a while, the app tells us what things increase our recovery for the next day being perfect. As you can see, I find that sleeping 90% well the night before means an 11% improvement in my performance. For example, sharing a bed with my partner also means an 8% increase. Or for example, consuming meat every day the day before represents an improvement of 4%. This is the reason why these footballers use this type of application. In this case, for example, we see that drinking alcohol the day before represents a negative impact of 14%. So this means that it harms me a lot, and to play soccer, if I want to be at my best, I am number 39. I'm not going to drink alcohol the day before. These data are obtained after having worn the bracelet for more than 3 months. After 30 days, it will start to give you everything, this type of data, and you will be able to improve. But every time you wear it for longer and add more data, the algorithm will give you more precise results. In this way, these footballers wear it all day for several months. And so, for example, on the day of the match, you already know if you have to sleep more, sleep less, eat a lot the day before, eat little, eat meat, not eat, or take certain supplements. As you know, each person is different, but what this does is that it helps us improve our performance and our recovery. It is what can give us good football performance, but it is still not alone here. It is specialized in improving sleep and giving us conclusions about how we can be much better on a daily basis, because this is what professional footballers wear it, because not only they look at what can interfere on the day of the game, but they go further and look at what you bring me, like the one with sleep, which is important to know why they have slept better or worse, how long, etc. The issue of recovery, knowing well all this data, and the issue of effort, to know if in a training session they have given their maximum or they have not given their maximum. And because so I encourage you that, yes, I am footballers, or you want the footballers, you throw this bracelet. Yakis, I bring a gift, because in the link in the description you have a free month of good. So nothing. This is all. See you later. Thanks.